there, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to incorporate affiliate links into your digital products. I personally think that including affiliate marketing in your digital products is such an underrated way to increase your affiliate commissions, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how easy it is in this video with a couple different examples. So depending on who your audience is and what your niche is will of course determine your digital product, but the sky is really the limit. You can create freebies and paid products and incorporate affiliate links into both of those. So whether that be a mini guide, a checklist, a packing list, a map, anything like that, you can incorporate affiliate links into. So on the screen right now, I have a London mini guide that I've created as an opt-in freebie for my London blog posts. I created this so quickly in Canva. It literally took me like less than 30 minutes. And this mini guide actually has affiliate links embedded into it. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So if I scroll down to this third page, I have some quick tips for visiting London. And my first tip is consider a London Pass. The London Pass is from GoCity, which is a partner on Travel Payouts, and they basically offer city passes across destinations in Europe and Asia, and it's a great way to save money on attractions in big cities like London and Paris. So I always recommend this when I'm talking about these destinations in my blog posts, so I figured it would be a great place to incorporate it here as well. So if I highlight over this link, you can see that this links out to a Travel Payouts link. It has my marker in it, London Mini Guide PDF, which is going to show me when I go to look at my analytics that is where this booking is coming from. And if I click this link, it should take me to the GoCity website where you can check out the London City Guide options. So it's super easy to incorporate affiliate links into PDFs in Canva. All you have to do is highlight the text that you want to change to an affiliate link. So let me just come in and let's say I wanted to highlight small umbrella here and make that an affiliate link. I would just highlight the text and you can see here this little link icon will pop up, or you can just hit Control or Command K and you will automatically be prompted to incorporate an affiliate link here. And then to grab this link from Travel Payouts, I love using their Chrome extension. So if I were to be making this London Pass one, I would type in GoCity London Pass and click on over to that link on GoCity. And the beauty of the Travel Payouts Chrome extension is that they automatically make this nice little extension for you where you can automatically convert whatever page you're on into an affiliate link. So for this one, I would type in London freebie or something like that, just so I know for later. Hit copy, come back over to Canva and paste it in here. So aside from that London Pass, I also have some hotel links in this freebie. So you can see here, I have hotel recommendations, and I list out the best areas to stay for first-time visitors to London. I also link out to my blog post on the topic, so that's just another way to get people back on your blog. And then I list out 3 different hotel recommendations. So these links are actually TripAdvisor links because TripAdvisor pays per click instead of per sale. But you have tons of options in Travel Payouts for hotels. If you'd rather get a conversion on a booking instead of just a click, you can use a platform like Agoda or Booking.com through Travel Payouts. But basically with this mini guide, anytime someone clicks on these links and clicks into the hotel in TripAdvisor here, I will earn a commission on that. So that's another great way to utilize affiliate links in your freebies. And then I also have some tour affiliate links in here. So London obviously has a ton of must-do activities. So I recommend a couple of those, like this Westminster walking tour. And I actually have 3 different links in here. So I have the title is linked. This recommended tour is linked, which you can tell from the underline, and then this image is also linked. So I'm just increasing my chances of them clicking and using my affiliate link by including it in multiple places. So you can see I have a couple of these. I also have non-affiliate links. I think it's important to balance affiliate links and non-affiliate links. There are of course going to be free things to do. You don't need an affiliate link for everything, so try to sprinkle in a nice balance. Now I'm going to show you another option from a paid guidebook that I have on the Florida Keys. So this is a guidebook that I offer on my blog. It's over 40 pages, which is why it's paid. But throughout the blog post, I incorporate affiliate links in here as well. A lot of it is just informational, but like you can see here, for each key, I have a where to stay section. And just like that London freebie, each of these are going to be TripAdvisor affiliate links that I've created with my sub ID so I can track it. I've also included some additional information, and there's a high chance that people are going to click into most of these because they want to see images on the website and they want to compare pricing. So I see high conversions with this thanks to TripAdvisor's pay per click policy. I also use tour links in this guidebook. So you can see here I have tour activities. So if I click into that, I have a couple different tour activities listed for Key Largo, so kayaking through the mangroves. And instead of just linking to one option, I do provide 3 different options here so they can click in and compare pricing, because there are so many kayaking tours and there are so many sunset cruises. Really depends on what you're looking for, so I wanted to include multiple. But if I come down to another example like these water excursions in Key West, you can see I just list out one example per tour and then have the affiliate link in here. So if I open this, it'll take me to Viator, where they can book this tour and I earn a commission. So as you can see, there are tons of different ways to incorporate affiliate links into your digital products, and I highly recommend checking out all the different programs that are available to you on Travel Payouts so you can decide which programs are best fit for your audience and your niche so that you can incorporate those links into your own products and increase your affiliate earnings.